Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing connection errors with Zoom in your educational classes, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the issue and rejoin your virtual classroom. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser and visiting multiple websites to confirm your network is stable and working properly. Step 2. Close and restart the Zoom application completely. On Windows, use Task Manager to ensure Zoom is fully closed. On Mac, use Force Quit if necessary. Step 3. Update Zoom to the latest version. Open Zoom, click on your profile picture, select Check for Updates, and install any available updates. Step 4. Verify that your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Zoom. Add Zoom to the allowed applications list in your security software settings. Step 5. Temporarily disable your VPN if you're using one, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Zoom connections. Step 6. Try joining the meeting using the web browser version of Zoom instead of the desktop application by clicking the meeting link and selecting Join from your browser. Step 7. Check with your instructor or IT administrator to ensure the meeting link is correct and the meeting hasn't been rescheduled or canceled. Step 8. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in to refresh your network connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.